Hey everyone, you just bought your first crypto. You're excited, you're nervous, and you're probably wondering, how do I actually get into this thing? Hook. Let's face it, logging into a crypto wallet can feel like solving a puzzle, especially if you're new to the game. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Building context. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why Newton Wallet is a popular choice. It's user-friendly, secure, and offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies. But the real question is, how do you unlock the door to your digital treasure chest? Step-by-step guide. Opening Newton Wallet. Start by opening the Newton app on your device. If you haven't already, create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Double-check your credentials for accuracy before clicking Login. Two-factor authentication, optional. Newton offers two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. If you've enabled 2FA, you'll need to enter a code sent to your phone or email. Accessing your wallet. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your wallet dashboard. Here, you can view your crypto holdings, send and receive coins, and explore the trading platform. Common issues and solutions. Forgot password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Account locked. If your account has been locked due to multiple failed login attempts, you may need to wait a specified period before trying again. Additional tips. Security best practices. Use a strong password and enable 2FA to protect your account. Be cautious of phishing scams and never share your login credentials with anyone. Customer support. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to Newton's customer support team. Conclusion. Logging into your Newton wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to managing your crypto investments. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.